Hi, just curious about this Kubuntu 10.04, about how do you get the sound to record the sound on your GTK Record My Desktop. So the first thing we do is we install the GTK Record My Desktop, and I also installed Pulse Audio from the K Package Kit. And here's your Pulse Audio volume control here. We'll just open that, and you can see, look, the ALSA plugin for the Record My Desktop. So, and playback, okay, and output devices, input devices. You see microphone 2. It's just a microphone plugged into the back of the PC. And the main point here is recording is the ALSA plugin. Okay, so I also installed ALSA, the GNOME ALSA, and here it is here, and you can see what's selected and not selected. I didn't change anything in this. I just left it the way it was. X that off, and we just X this off here. Then that's the Pulse Audio. Now I also went into GTK Record My Desktop, and as you can see here, performance is 30. Okay, sound, I changed this here to, this was default with caps on, so I just changed the default with the caps off, so small letters. Okay, we can X that off, and I can quit that. Now into system settings, and we're going into advanced and auto start here. So add a program. So all I typed in here was Pulse Audio, PU. Hang on there a second, my phone. So typed in Pulse Audio D there, okay, and you can see it's enabled on startup. Okay, and we go back here again. Now we go into General tab, and we go into Multimedia, and you can see here music, playback through the Pulse. Just select that one, okay, and video. I've done them all for the communication, okay, and the back end then is GStreamer. So you have to go into your K Package Kit and just type in GStreamer. Find by name. And you see there GStreamer for ALSA. GStreamer plugin for Pulse Audio. Okay, so install them as well, and then when you make sure you log in and log out again, and select your GStreamer here then, and once that's all done, you can go into Record My Desktop, and it should record your voice just through an ordinary microphone plugged into the back of the PC on the kind of the pinky coloured connection on the back of your PC. Hope that helps.